Eighth graders, this is to help you with question 6 on CR21. It says Tiffany has $12 to buy bananas for the ice cream social. Each pound of bananas costs 35 cents. Which table best describes the amount of money M Tiffany has left after buying B pounds of bananas? So she has $12 total. Each pound costs 35 cents. Each pound is 35 cents. So we would take 0.35 times the number of pounds of bananas to give us how much she has spent on bananas. And which table best describes the amount of money she has left? So if you take your $12, subtract off the amount of money you spend on bananas, you'll get the money you have left. So let's check for if we buy 0 pounds. So now I'm just going to do some calculations here. Bananas. I'm going to say, what if I buy 0 pounds of bananas? I have to do 12 minus 0.35, 35 cents, times however many pounds of bananas I have, and that will give me my answer of how much money I have left. So here I'd have to do 12 minus 0.35 times 0. Well, 0.35 times 0 is 0. 12 minus 0 is 12. So across from the 0, I better have a 12. So that seems reasonable, and that seems reasonable. Can't have across from 1 pound, you can't still have $12 after you buy a pound. D's out. Now let's try for 1 pound. If I buy 1 pound of bananas, I start with $12. I need to subtract off 35 cents times that 1 pound of bananas. So I have to take 12 minus 35.35. 12 minus 0.35 gives me 11.65. That seems reasonable. So after 1 pound is bought, you still have $11.65. Makes sense. 12 minus 35 cents, you still have $11.65. So across from 1, I need to see $11.65. And this doesn't have a 1, so can't check that. So all 3 of those tables are still in play. Let's talk about if you buy 2 pounds of bananas. Then you better take your $12 and subtract off 35 cents, but do that twice. Do that 2 times. So that's 12 minus 70 cents. 12 minus 70 cents will get us to $11.30. So for 2 pounds of bananas, how much do we have left after we buy 2 pounds of bananas? We have $11.30 left. So after, next to the 2, I have to have $11.30 left. 2 pounds of bananas, $11.40, that's out. 2 pounds of bananas, $11.30, that's still in play. 2 pounds of bananas, $11.30, that's still in play. All right, it's between B and C. Let's check for 3 pounds. All right, so now if I choose to buy 3 pounds of bananas, I take my $12, I subtract off 35 cents 3 times. I have to do that 3 times. 3 times 35, is that $1.05? Let me just check. 0.35 times 3. Yep, we got to subtract off $1.05. 12 minus $1.05. Better give me $10.95. Agreed? 12 minus $1 gives me 11 minus 5 more $10.95. So across from 3, I have a $10.95. Means letter B doesn't have a shot because across from the 4 was the $10.95. Letter C must be what I have left. So I don't know exactly what your expression is that you have to solve or substitute into, but that's how you go about it. You can just plug in various values for your known amount, simplify the expression to find out the unknown. Oh, I hope that helps.